Well, hello everyone. My name is Shelly Banks. We're on this channel. I hope that you can withdraw something great from me and deposit into you. I want to give a thanks to our servicemen and women, but I want to give a special thanks to the Marines. And today's video, we are going to be talking about the products that I received from Boxy Charm for the month of January. Yes, I do realize that January is almost sliding up out of here, but see the way the postal system is set up right now, yeah, y'all already know the story, so we're gonna get right into this video. Okay everyone, so this is what the Boxy Charm looks like. This is the base box for the month of January. And in this month's box, the theme is a fresh start. And I just want to say, by the way, disclaimer, if anyone out here that does get Boxy Charm is missing their insert, I have 3 extras. And if you want to get your insert, just leave me a comment in the bottom section and I will get it out to you. But on to the box. Okay, so I can't give you a variation because it's just set up with numbers this time. But the first thing that is in my box for this month is the Ciate London, the Velvet palette. And this is the outer carton. And this is the palette. It's just really, it's kind of velvety. It does have a velvety feel. This is what the palette looks like. So yeah, it has some metallics and some mattes, and it is the palette that I used on my eyes today to get this look. I'm gonna swatch a few of these shimmer, matte, and metallic shades. They do feel really buttery. I will tell you guys that from the start. This is what they're looking like on the back of my hand, and I do think they are very pigmented. So this was the palette. Let's see what the MSRP for that is. $30. This is a 12-pan palette. This did not tell me anywhere the names of these shades, so I wouldn't be able to convey them to you guys to let you even know what I used on my lids today. I think that's a downfall of Ciate London, but as far as the palette goes, just to throw in your purse or in your pocket if you're traveling, I think that is a great idea. But I paid $30 for it because you guys know I always let you know if I would or wouldn't, and I wouldn't. The next thing that I see in my box is the Pharmacy Deep Sweep. This is a 2% BHA pore cleaning toner with moringa and papaya, and this is what it looks like. Let's see if I can get it out of the box. Let's see if I can get it out of the box. Okay, so it comes in this bottle right here. It's just, I want to say it's sort of like what is that made by? I cannot think what company. It's Pixie. Pixie makes like a toner that comes kind of in a bottle like this, but this is really glass. I'm willing to give this a try because I do like pore cleansing toners because I don't know if you guys can see, but I got some pores that be resting up there on my face, and I still be moisturizing and priming, and they don't be budging. So I don't know what the problem is, but maybe this can get them in check. I don't know. The next thing that I see is a triple peptide eye. Let me back up, guys. The price on this is $28. I got it upside down. $28 for a toner. I do like skincare, and I do like my skincare to be effective. So not saying that high cost equals effectiveness, but I probably would pay. I would. The next thing that I see, like I said, is a Dr. Brandt. This is the triple peptide eye cream. Y'all, I don't even know what this is about. It says it's supposed to help with wrinkles, dark circles, puffiness. So yeah, that's pretty much it. This is what it looks like. It's in a tube like this by Dr. Brandt. I have heard people talk about it, and they have said that it is a pretty good product. Do Not Age is the name. The price on this, guys, are you ready for it? Are you ready? Oh, first of all, I want you to hold on to something. See anything that you have close by. $82. $82. I wouldn't. No, I wouldn't. The next thing in the box is the Bali Balm. This is the sweet orange and coconut lip balm, and it comes in a box like this. I don't know what is supposed to be so spectacular about this. It says Kiss the Planet, so I'm assuming this is what it looks like, that this is a product that is eco-friendly. It says it's packed with vitamin C, and the MSRP on this is $33, and I wouldn't. No, I'm not gonna do that. $33 for it. No, ma'am. The last thing in my box, guys, is the Laura Geller High Def Glow Illuminator Duo in Heart of Gold, and this is a highlighter. This is what it's looking like. I did use it on my cheeks today. So if you guys can see a little glow there or not. I am really feeling this side over here. That's pretty much just a glow, and then this other side is like a sparkle. But I'll swatch them for you guys and hope that they come up. Yeah, I'm not too fond of this other side, but yeah, one's a shimmer and the other one's a sparkle. So this is what they look like on the hand. You can see them up top here. Yeah, so that was the Laura Geller High Def Glow, and the price MSRP on that is $33. And I'm gonna have to say I wouldn't for that either. So there was only one product out of the 5 of these products that I have that I really would, and that was the Deep Sweet Pharmacy Face Toner. Guys, Boxy Charm. This month's box, I mean, I understand you said fresh start and all that, but I want y'all to go back and do it over again, because I am not like super impressed about this box. I'm really not. If you guys want to get on the Boxy Charm bandwagon, you will receive a Boxy Charm base box every month for the price of, I believe it's $25 now, and then every 3 months you can get the quarterly box that is $49.99, where you do receive a vast majority of products. I think it's up to like 7 or 10 products in that box. I'm not exactly sure. Boxy Charm is just a good way to experiment or experience with different experience, to have the experience of using different makeups that you might not normally go in the store and buy. So if you're into that type of thing, I would encourage you to try Boxy Charm. Every month it's not gonna be hip hip hooray, but at least you will get to see the different things that are out there, and you will pay a huge fraction of the price for the items. Guys, I thank you for tuning in, and I thank you for watching. Please come back to the channel and let's do it all over again. And until next time, be blessed. Bye, YouTube.